Hey guys, welcome to today's video. And today we will be back into political gaming Wednesday as expected. Did I click A versus A? I'm not sure I did. If I didn't, then I will now. So let's quickly look at some. What would be good at matchup? Let's not spend too much time thinking. What if we made it so Michelle Obama faced off against what if Michelle Obama faced off against what if we want another woman? How about that? Faced off against Nikki Haley? Yeah, let's go Nikki Haley then. Okay, here we go. Let's hopefully get some good results. Shout out to wait, um shout out to let me quickly so there's a shout out to just can you guys hold up a second? Yeah, sorry about that. Just gonna get some. So I have a shout out, and I'll tell you who the I have a shout out. I'll tell you who the shout out is at the end of the video. Oh wait, I paused the gameplay. I'm so furiously tapping. For some reason, like when I go touchscreen, which I do sometimes, it takes away my cursor for a mouse. And like now I have to continue touchscreen, but that takes my cursor away for longer. So it's like you have to leave it for a while if you actually want to get started. And so just never use touchscreen on my computer. If I don't know why I'm telling you this because you probably never use my computer unless you have a Windows 10. If you have a Windows 10, you probably know about this, or maybe it's only my computer. I don't know. The popular vote seems to be really going to Michelle Obama. Really going for her. Wait, what am I saying? Really going for her? It's by a slim 1%, a very slim. Protecting the environment and better private insurance. Florida just went safe blue, and that's never a good sign. But Georgia's also safe red, so I'm kind of split here. Let's check its polls. Oh, Haley is barely losing. If Haley can pick up in Florida, Obama wins, says social justice. If Haley, I was saying, if Haley picks up in Florida, then I could see, oh wait, no, she's getting absolutely destroyed now. Oh, VP time. I think so Haley says no record packing. That's good. Michelle Obama, universal health care. Ted Cruz, that's also good. Okay, no, I'm joking. I don't even know. I'm saying that's good for everyone. Ted Cruz and Bernie. Bernie is a surprising pick. Haley Cruz would be interesting, though. Oh wait, Texas is toss-up. That is never a good sign for 5%. Okay, now Michelle Obama is dominating in the popular vote. Oh, Connecticut and New Jersey. So let's see. Zach. Okay, Michelle Obama is gonna win, I think. And now once I say that Haley's gonna end up winning, that's what's gonna happen. Someone mark my words and write it down. Haley's going to lose, and then she's gonna turn out winning. Michelle Obama throws her support on gun control. Florida is now not safe, so if Haley can just do a little better there, I think that would really help her chances if she can take Florida, North Carolina. Okay, North Carolina just went. And she definitely needs to do something about Texas. Texas is not looking good for her. Oh, Michelle Obama is doing in Ohio like insane. I don't know what the polls are saying now. Yeah, Michelle Obama is actually doing really good campaigning this whole election. I think we can give this election to Michelle Obama. But in the popular vote, her lead has shrunk, and it's now just down to 2%. Oh, Texas went blue. What's the polls then? Oh, wait, Texas just went back red. Assault weapons. Oh, wait, Texas didn't go back red. Then how is she doing worse? I'm so confused. Texas is a toss-up. It seems like everyone's confused. Everything is a toss-up, pretty much. Well, not everything, but you guys get the point. A lot of states are toss-up. Reducing wealth inequality. Oh my god, it's already election night. Oh, sorry guys, this is a glitch where it happens where it only decides the toss-up states. I hope you guys don't mind that. Because I really don't feel like... I don't think there's any way to change that, but... Sadly. Hopefully you guys are fine with that. The glitch is annoying. I've had it very few times and it decides that... I mean, the glitch can happen when I'm not recording a video. I'm fine with that. But if I'm recording a video, I don't really like glitches when I'm recording a video. And she actually underperformed. She only won by 40 electoral votes. So this is a really interesting map, and she wins the popular vote by 3%. I think, wait, let's see, what is realistic about this map, and what is most likely never going to happen. So Wisconsin going red, I could see that. Ohio and Iowa would go red. Virginia blue, everything seems to be fine, actually. Georgia, Arizona red, that's possible. This is a really realistic map. This is the most realistic map, other than Colorado, I have ever seen on the political machine. Like that, the swings is that Louisiana didn't go blue, or Oklahoma didn't go blue, or Kansas didn't go blue, or West Virginia didn't go blue, or that Connecticut didn't go red. Overall, my prediction, I think, would actually maybe be the same prediction. Maybe she'd pick up Florida. I'm not sure, though. Florida is a toss-up. But she'd lose Colorado. I mean, Michelle Obama would win Colorado. So thanks for watching this video. Oh, wait. Of course, the shout-out, which we can never forget. So, let me just exit this. I will link his channel in the description below. So, let's just go to YouTube. Let's see your channel. Let me show you guys the channel. Just liked my own video. Yes, Political Breakdown. Please subscribe to him. I will put his channel link in the description below so that you guys can what would you say? Subscribe to him, of course. I'm subscribed to him and I have his notifications on. So you should do that as well. Also subscribe to me and like my video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Political Breakdown. I'll put his link in the description. Bye.